Hi, hello, namaste to everyone. Namo Buddhaya. So I was talking about the Ashokan Edicts. So in that, the first one is Brahmagiri Edict. It is of 13 lines and it is in Brahmi script of Pali language. The second one is Jatinga Rameshwara. The Jatinga Rameshwara's edict is very interesting. Why? Because on the rock edict, the figures of elephant are engraved on the Ashokan edict at Jettingarameshwar. It is purely engraved one. So, besides it, the footprints of Buddha are also engraved. The interesting story of this Jettingarameshwara is that after 2.5 years of his entry into the fold of Buddha, that is Sangha, Ashoka himself started devotedly for the work of propagation of Buddhism in the whole in the whole Jambudvipa of or India. Even he wished in making to his neighbors to understand the principles of Buddhism and the code of conduct of Buddhism. It is very important thing we have to take into our consideration. And again, this he ordained means he has made it a strict regulation or the rules to maintain after 256 of his 66 days of his journey for the propagation of Buddhism. As he ordained, as after 256 days of his journey for the propagation of Buddhism. And the third one is Nitturu Edict. It came into notice in the year 1977, and it is also a significant edict in the history of Karnataka and as well as in India. Why? Because we see for the first time the depiction of the name of Ashoka as Devanama Priya, Priyadarshi Ashoka. It is the first edict. It contains, as it clarifies the name of the Ashoka as Devanama Priya, Priyadarshi Ashoka. He is the Ashoka who loved by the God, that is Buddha, according to him. And even the names of Ashoka are found in the edicts of Gujarat's Udayagulam edict. And therefore, the edict was studied by various scholars like Baden in the year 1915 and Srinivas Rao, J.F. Fleet, E. Senard, etc. Many scholars have studied, and after clarification of the doubts, whatever they have raised in their thoughts, then thereafter, after deep study, they came to the conclusion that it is no one but Ashoka has been called in the Nitturu edict as the Devanama Priyadarshi Ashoka. So it is the celebration of Ashoka as the propagator of Buddhism to a greater extent. We have to take into our consideration. So if you like the information, please like it, share it, and subscribe the video. Thank you. Namaste.